Alright guys, so I'm going to take this one object and I'm in object mode. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add a material from this panel here. So the little sphere that kind of looks like it's divided into quarters, this is your material. It will let you add a new material. Okay, so say you want to add a color. You can go over here. And I just clicked on the Lambert and you can give it whatever color. So this is how you can color your blocks. Some of your blocks I'm going to want to have you do texture, but for now I'm just going to let you do some of the actual coloring. So if I click off of it, I've just created that. Now I'm going to double click on here and call it, it's kind of a pink, like let's say red material. Okay, so it's really important. I would start labeling things. If I don't like it, let's go back here. Actually, I kind of want it more red. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. And then I have my red material and it's saved and I can go back in and change it. But all of this is from object mode, which I always think is interesting. This part I'm doing in object mode. So